Hello, my friends. Well, I would like to thank you all for supporting my channel. I have reached a milestone of 8,000 subscribers, and that just tickles me and thrills me, and I want to thank each and every one of you. And I'm going to do a giveaway of these 4 paintings you see here. But first, if I may, I'm going to give a little plug for my website and show you some fun new items that I have recently added. 3 of them are these rugs you're looking at. These are throw rugs, or area rugs, 2 by 3 feet, and they're based on original paintings that I did. Here's this painting, and now the colors aren't quite matching the original, but I actually love the rug. The original paintings are on my website as well, but I just added these rugs, and here's, you can see that it's a nice backing. It's about 1/4 inch thick, and it's very, very soft to the touch, so that's quite lovely. This one's fun. I call this one Alive. That's the name of this painting. And so you can see the colors are a bit more subdued on this one, but it's quite pretty. And then lastly is this one, which is based on one of the few pours that I'm actually keeping for myself. It's this one, and I just love this one. It's my most popular video, and that's just happens to be, it's not why it's my favorite. I just really like it, and so I'm keeping this one, but the rug is available if anyone's interested. So I will leave that as a background. It's kind of fun. It's more interesting than my paint splattered table. Another fun item that I've added are some puzzles based on artwork. This is a 252 piece puzzle that comes in this easy to open box. The pieces are really nice and sturdy. It's not, this one's practically put together for you. Anyway, just a unique fun thing. And here's the original. I really like this painting, and this is also available on my website. It's an early ring and ribbon, one of my first ring and ribbons, and I think it's really fun. What do I call this one? Happy Trails. So that's that, and then I tried a different company for puzzles. I wanted more pieces, so I sent away to this company, and it comes in a different packaging. This is the little picture, also based on Alive. One nice feature is that it comes with this puzzle mat. Let me hold it up close and you can see the puzzle pieces. But the drawback is there are 500 and, let's see, it says here, 529 pieces. And the finished puzzle measures 11 by 14. So let me give you an idea of the size of these puzzle pieces. They're tiny. They're like dime size. So it would be a challenge for a puzzle enthusiast, but you know, it's well made and it's a unique item. So anyway, there you go. I have a few different designs of this puzzle, but this is the only one I can lay my hands on right at the moment. Okay, now let's get to the giveaway paintings. I'm doing 4 embellishments, so in no particular order. Here's the first one. This one I call Closer Look, and I painted that trompe-l'oeil magnifying glass on there, and it comes framed. So that's one. Next, I have this Flamenco Dancer. I painted her in a 4-part series, video series from start to finish. So if you haven't seen that, and if you're interested in seeing how it was done, I can't remember. I think it was like number 40 through 44, perhaps. It's under my embellished, my playlist under embellished pours. You can't miss it. So she's 12 by 12 on a deep canvas. And next, I don't know that I have a name on this one. I think it was Space Daisies. It is on my website. Oops. And it was just as I did a video on this as well, how to paint these daisies and paint out part of the pour if you don't like it. And it comes in a nice frame. I think it's a 10 by 10, and this is a 2-inch wooden frame. And lastly, this one is, I don't know what the name of it is. It's I painted these little shells and seagrass on there after swiping and drying. I painted, the whole thing was a swipe, and I didn't care for this section of it, so I painted it kind of sand color and then decided to add those little things. So all 4 of these are on my website, and they are for sale, so I do reserve the right to replace, if you win the drawing. Well, let's see. By the time I go to do the drawing, I think I'll wait 1 week from today. And by the time I do the drawing, if they happen to have sold in the meantime, I'll replace it with something that I feel is of equal value. So, there you have it. All you have to do is, I would appreciate if you're a subscriber, leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, share the video if you would, and I'll put them all in the random picker, and who knows, you may be one of the winners. I'll send it to anywhere in the world, so feel free to enter. Your chances are as good as anyone else's. So thanks again, all my friends. I do appreciate you, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and I'm running out of things to say. See you next time. Bye now.